As your customer list grows, finding the right customer quickly becomes more important. LawnPro gives you several ways to filter and search your customers list, so you can get to who you need in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll walk through all of them. Let's go through it. To get started, click on your Customer tab and click Customers. At the top, you'll see that you have a search bar. You can start typing a customer's name, and LawnPro will narrow the list down as you type. This is the fastest way to find a specific customer when you know who you're looking for. Next is Customer Type. Use this filter to narrow your list down to a specific type of customer, like residential, commercial, or any custom types you've set up in your account. Then there's the Customer Status. This lets you filter whether a customer is active, inactive, written off, pending approval, a lead, or deleted. This is useful at the start or end of a season when you're reviewing who's active and who isn't. You can also filter by card and ACH status. This shows you which customers have a card or bank on file and which ones don't. Handy when you're setting up auto payments or following up on a bill. Finally, you can filter by tags. If you've been tagging your customers to organize them by neighborhood, service type, or any other category, this filter lets you pull up all customers with a specific tag instantly. You can combine these filters together to get very specific results. For example, filtering to active commercial customers with a card on file. Next, when you select a customer or multiple customers on your list by checking the boxes, you'll see more options appear at the top of the list. The options include selecting all of your customers, deleting the customers, printing your customers, or downloading a PDF, changing the status of your customer to active or inactive, and then bulk editing your tags. You also have the ability to show or hide columns based on your preferences. As you uncheck them, you can see that the columns disappear and only the ones selected are shown. Last, you could export a CSV file of your customers. You can choose to export all customers and details, or only the selected customers and columns that you have chosen here. And then, of course, we have the New Customer button, where you can enter a new customer manually or import customers using a CSV file. That's all there is to the customer filters in LawnPro. The more consistently you use tags, customer types, and statuses when setting up your customers, the more powerful these filters become.